This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Adobe Illustrator. So I'm right here on the sort of main download a start free trial kind of page of Adobe Illustrator. You can find it at this rather long URL here. All of the URLs I mentioned in this video will be in the video description, so you can just click on the link and wind up here. You don't need to go searching or anything. So free trial here, you can use this. There's a 7-day free trial and then a 14-day money-back guarantee. So you can click on that to start the free trial. But what happens here, once you do that, is you have to start entering billing details and you have to start going through this whole rigmarole, which you might not want to do. So there's this other option right here. This is all legit. This is all on the main Adobe website, but it's kind of a little bit of a hidden URL. So probably should have led off with this one really, but this is the URL here. Again, it's a Mildy, so I'll put that in the video description. You can just click on that link and wind up here. Now you can get Illustrator on the iPad or on desktop, and literally all you do right here is you just click on download on one of these. You get this little redirect, and just like that, you see that the icon went flying up there. That has downloaded. That's universal symbol that something has downloaded on the Mac. I'm right here on a Mac, of course. So as far as the instructions, you just need to install the installer from the downloads location. Now your downloads location might be different to mine. Like I say, I'm on a Mac with Google Chrome. Everything goes to the main downloads folder. Your downloads location is dependent on your browser setup and configuration. So if it didn't download, you can restart the download like it says right here. But the easy part is just to install the installer. Now this isn't a free version or anything of Illustrator. Is just a quick way of getting the desktop version or the iPad version. You will still need to actually go through the process of having the free trial. You know, I'm not saying you like getting Illustrator for free or anything like that, but hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Adobe Illustrator on your computer useful. If you found it helpful, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.